If you're dealing with a broken or cracked wax seal, you're probably wondering how to fix it without making a huge mess or wasting time. Okay, so first off, make sure you've got the right replacement wax seal on hand because not all seals are the same size or thickness, you know? Then, clean off any old wax bits from the surface where the seal sits. No skipping this part because leftover wax can mess up the new seal's fit. Next, gently heat the new wax seal just a little so it becomes flexible but not melted. Use a hairdryer or warm water, whatever works for you. When it's nice and soft, press it firmly into place so it sticks well and forms a solid barrier. Don't rush this step. Give it a few minutes to cool and harden before touching it again. If the seal is on something like a toilet or sink, check for any leaks once the seal is set. Tighten surrounding parts carefully if needed to keep everything snug, but don't over-tighten because that can crack the new wax. Lastly, keep some spare wax seals nearby for next time because these things can wear out or get damaged over time. One of the biggest mistakes with replacing a wax seal is not cleaning off the old wax completely, which makes the new seal not sit right and causes leaks. Just scrape and wipe thoroughly to fix this. Another issue is overheating the wax seal and melting it too much, which ruins its shape and function. Heating it gently until flexible but not liquid is the trick here. Third, over-tightening bolts or screws around the wax seal can cause cracks or breakage. So tighten carefully until snug but don't force it. These three common problems are what usually trips people up on replacing wax seals, so watch out for them. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who know their stuff with stuff like replacing wax seals and other home repairs. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for more gigs, it's a solid way to connect with homeowners who actually need your skills.